Hello everyone, this is Nitesh and I'll be helping you with math as always. So today we'll be dealing with some areas of some certain geometrical figures. So let's take first area, that's area of parallelogram, okay? So this is area of parallelogram. Now we all know what a parallelogram is. Alright, now let's say, suppose if we have a parallelogram like this, okay? So parallelogram is the opposite sides are parallel, we all know this. And suppose this is a parallelogram, okay? Now the opposite sides are parallel like this. And suppose if we draw this perpendicular, alright, this is making a 90-degree angle, and this is the height h, and this is the base b. Okay, so this is the base and this perpendicular is the height of the parallelogram. Alright, now what's the area of a parallelogram is? Now the formula to find the area of this parallelogram will be area, that is A, will be equal to base, okay, base times the height. Okay, so this is the base and this is the height, so the formula for finding the area of this parallelogram is base times the height. Suppose if we have a parallelogram and the height is 2 meters, height is given 2 meters and base is given 5 meters, so we can find the area by using this particular formula, that is base times height. That is 5 times 2, that will be 10 meters square will be the area of this parallelogram. Alright, now let us suppose say we have the area, okay, and we have the height. So can you find the base? Can you find the third thing? Suppose if we take the same problem, area is given 10 meters square and height is given 2 meters. So can you find the base with the same formula? Alright, so we apply the same formula, base times height. Now let's say, can we find the base? This is given 10, this is b, we don't know, and the height is 2, so we do b is equal to 2 goes over here, so it becomes the division, and 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, so we get b is equal to 5 meters, and that's what it was given over here. So we conclude that any two things we can find the third one. Alright, now let's see, this was the area of parallelogram. Now let's see the area of some other geometrical figures like triangle. Okay, now suppose if we see the area of a triangle. Now we all know what a triangle is, that's a three-sided figure, right? Now suppose if we have this kind of triangle, okay, and we have draw perpendicular making the 90-degree. So just like in a parallelogram, this is the height and this is the base. Alright, now this is the triangle. Now what actually a triangle is? Now a triangle can be considered as the half of a parallelogram, right? So this is the half of a parallelogram, this is a triangle, and this is another triangle. So a triangle can be considered as the half of the parallelogram. So what was the area of a parallelogram? Base times height, and a triangle is half of that parallelogram, so the area of this triangle will be the half of the area of the parallelogram. So the formula becomes half times base times height. So this is the formula for finding the area of a triangle. Now let's take some values, like suppose b is given 5 and h is given 2. Alright, so we put in this formula, half times 5 times 2, so that's gonna be 10 over 2, and 10 over 2 is 5. Alright, so that's gonna be 5 meters square. Okay, so area is 5 meters square of this triangle. So just like the parallelogram, if two things are given, we can find the third one. Alright, now let's see some other areas, or the areas of circle. Okay, but before the area of the circle, we first find the circumference of a circle. Alright, now what's a circumference of a circle? Circumference. Now circumference is nothing but the distance around the circle. Alright, so the distance around the circle is called a circumference. So let's take a circle like this. This is our circle, and the formula to find the circumference of a circle is c, that's the circumference, and pi d, where this pi is set as this pi. Okay, and the value of pi is 22 over 7. Alright, or we can also say 3.14. So this is the formula to find the circumference of a circle. And so if you are given the diameter of the circle, you can find the circumference, or if you are given the circumference of the circle, you can find the diameter. As pi, you know the value of pi. Alright, so now let's see some other problems, like the area of a circle. Now what's the area of a circle? Now we know the formula to find the area of a circle is a, that is area, is equal to pi. We already know what a pi is. And r, that is radius, that is half of the diameter, and square of the radius. Okay, so in short, a is equal to pi r square. So this is the formula to find the area of a circle. Suppose if radius is given 3 centimeters, so you can find the area like this, and 3.14 is the value of pi, and r is 3, and square. So if you calculate this, you will get 28.26 centimeters square. So this is the area of this particular circle. And if radius is given, we can find the area, and if area is given, we can find the radius. So that's all about the areas of certain geometrical figures. We'll deal with some more topics. Till then, bye and take care.